My name is Deshaun Cameron. I am from Gaston, Alabama, and I am currently a student for Gaston State in auto collision repair. The thing that motivated me to major in auto collision repair was that I just love cars. I love being around cars. I just have a passion for cars, and since I was a young one, my granddad, just took me to shops and stuff like that. I would say that particular person that got me here, it's really not just one person, it's a group. I'd say it's a group. My Uncle Bo, before he passed, we own a junkyard, so it's just my uncle, being around cars a lot, taking cars apart, putting them back together. It's really a group, not just one person. If you want to be successful in auto body collision repair, the skills you would need you need welding skills, you need basic mechanic skills, around the motor, wiring. You need to be able to pull dents, repair dents, wipe dents after you repair them with body filler. Gun handling skills is a major because you have to paint, and you'll get a lot of that through priming, epoxy, and stuff like that. The traits that my instructor instilled in me is the number one, I say this is number one, is have hard work ethic. Like, if you don't have hard work ethic in what you do, it's kind of hard to succeed and, grow as a person or, be a manager if you're depending on what you like to do. So I'd say that's the number one, the major thing. I love to work in a dealership, a high-end dealership, seeing different cars from, each. But another one is starting a home body shop. Just expand from there and get some hard workers and just make a name for myself also of what I learned.